Hello, everybody out there. Happy Monday. Amanda back to you with another quick live video. I want to take this time to I just came from the post office. Kind of had a late start today, but I picked up these. So what I want to do is announce all of my new members. Hey, Charles. And then also talk about my direct mail solution, guys. Those who just joined, your packages are going out today, so that will be going to the post office. I didn't put them in the mail, the line was very long, but I will put it in the mail today. Hey Anthony, hey Alicia, everybody, let me know where you're tuning in from. Let me know where you're tuning in from. If you're watching this later on in the day, hashtag replay for me. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm in my car today. It is a beautiful day outside. I'm still bundled up because it is cold, but it's not as cold as it was over the weekend. So I decided to do this video, this live from my car. Let everybody know we have a webinar tomorrow, 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You want to be there. It's going to be very exciting. And we have some bonuses for those who get started, but you want to just make sure that you are on the webinar tomorrow just to hear how it's going. Not only that, we course 350 members with passive profits. 350 members. We are 4 weeks in, over $100,000 in commissions. This came from Deborah. I have a $147 money order. Thanks so much, Deborah. I will be reaching out to you today. That's for her website. I got another payment that came in from Maxine from Indiana. Let's open this up. Good morning, Helen. Hey, Alicia from Montgomery, Alabama. I wish I was somewhere warm right now. It's very cold here in Albany. I got a payment in the mail from Maxine from Indiana. Let's see what we have. Hey, Anthony. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Mona. It's always good to see you here. Hey, Felicia. How you doing today? So we got a payment here, I believe. Yep, it's another money order in the amount of $147. People are paying for their websites. A website is so important. You need the website to add to your postcard. Okay, so when your postcard go out, it'll have your ID number on it and also your domain name that leads to your website, and that's really important. Okay, so a lot of people are getting their websites, and we are actually going over the training why websites are so important, and we're going to also be going over how to set up a funnel correctly. That's what we're going to be touching on this week. Okay, so I have another payment here from, let's see who we have, from Brittany from Alabama. Thanks so much for joining. Make sure to reach out to me if I call your name. Here is a $150 payment from Brittany. Thanks so much. Glad to have you a part of the team. Let's see what else we have here. Hey, Miss AA. Hey, Casey. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. We have another one here. Let's see what we have. This came in from Colorado. Let's see who it came in from. From Colorado. Hey, Elba. Good morning, guys. Hey, Carrie. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Scott. Thanks so much for tuning in. This payment is from, see what we have. It's a $20 payment from Six Figure Dude. I don't know who that is, but he signed up with me for Impact Mailing Club, and I received a $20 payment and one book of stamps. Okay, we have another payment here from Stephanie Lee. Let's see what we have here from Stephanie Lee. Stephanie Lee. Hey, Eva. Michelle, thanks for tuning in. Barry, thanks for tuning in from Virginia. Lunchtime. Yeah, I'm about to eat me some lunch too. I'm starving. Okay, so this came in from, had another sign up at the promo level, at the promo level. So that's a $50 payment. This is from Impact Mailing Club. And I received my stamps as well. And then I got one more for you guys from Karen. Karen joined last week from South Carolina. Let's see what we have. One payment came in from Karen. Let's open this up, see what we have. Guys, we actually got some sun today. I'm so excited about that. The sun feels good. It feels real good. So I'm excited about the sun today. Okay, this came in from... Oh, thank you so much, Karen. Nice card. It says, you have such a gift for caring for others. And dear Amanda, your gift and your kindness, time and energy are appreciated so much. Thank you so much, Karen. She came in at the $500 level, and I received 2 money orders from Karen, one for $300 and one for $200. Thank you so much, Karen. Glad to have you a part of the team. And we also got I want to make sure that I get everybody in. So I've received another payment I want to pick up. You can send in your payments Western Union. So I have a payment that came in through Western Union for $500. Here is that payment, guys. 500 buckaroos. Okay. So Western Union is also accepted. So people can send you money through the mail, Western Union. You can receive payment electronically using Venmo, Cash App, Stripe, Google Pay, Zelle. Okay, so we have a webinar tomorrow where we're going to discuss how the opportunity works, what to expect when you join, how long it takes to actually get started, how much you can make, the possibilities, what's included. So tomorrow at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time, the information will be in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching this on Facebook, it will be in the comment section below. All you have to do is sign up for the webinar tomorrow, 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. It's going to be jam-packed. You don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss out on the bonuses that we have going on right now, and basically how you can get started. So everyone, I will see you tomorrow, 5:30 p.m. Eastern. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great week. Enjoying your day. Stay inspired and stay blessed, guys.